Hi guys, welcome back to Winnfrey's kitchen where we cook delicious meals and are very easy to prepare. If you're new here, karibu sana, and please feel free to press the notification button down below so once I upload a video you'll be able to be notified. So today we'll be preparing stir-fried chicken with spaghetti. Let's learn together. On the ingredients, we need 3 large red, yellow and green capsicums, 2 medium-sized onions, 2 medium-sized tomatoes, 3 medium-sized carrots, 4 cloves of garlic, boneless chicken, spaghetti, vegetable oil. For the seasoning, we need 1 teaspoon of chicken masala, paprika, curry powder and cumin each, a half teaspoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, soy sauce, ketchup and salt to taste. So the first thing we are going to do is to marinate the chicken. Mix all the spices together and use half of it to spice up the chicken. Cut the chicken into julienne shape and then season the pieces with the spices, apple cider vinegar and soy sauce. Mix it all thoroughly, then let it marinate for 30 minutes to 1 hour. For the best results, however, let the chicken marinate overnight. As the chicken marinates, prepare the vegetables. First cut the onions, capsicum and carrots into julienne shape. Finely mince or chop the garlic, then grate the tomatoes. Put that aside and now prepare the spaghetti. Heat water in a sufuria and add salt and oil. Once the water has boiled, add the pasta whole. Don't break the pasta, as this will ruin the food ambience. Let the spaghetti cook for 8 to 10 minutes and ensure that it is well cooked on the inside but a bit firm on the outside. Once cooked, run the spaghetti under cold water to stop the spaghetti from cooking further. This technique also boosts the firmness of the spaghetti. We are now going to prepare the chicken. Heat the oil in a pan, add the marinated chicken and shallow fry it until golden brown and crispy. We'll now prepare the stir fry. In the same pan, add the onions and garlic and let it saute for a few minutes. Add the carrots and let this saute also for another few minutes. Add the capsicum, mix it and let it also saute for another few seconds. Then add the tomatoes and the spices and let this cook through. Once it's cooked, add the boiled spaghetti gradually to ensure you end up with an even mixture. Mix this thoroughly. Once it's well mixed, add the chicken and also mix this thoroughly. Simmer the mixture on low heat for about 2 minutes and voila! It's ready to serve. That's all we had for you today. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Winnfrey's Kitchen for more of these quick and easy, delicious homemade recipes. Till next time, ciao ciao!